Hey Empowered Parents, welcome to Pittman Parenting. Today we're going to go over tummy time for newborns. Now our pediatrician both times told us to start this around 2 or 2.5 months old. When they get to this age, you want to begin aiming for about 20 minutes of tummy time per day. But you don't have to do it all at once. You can do it in small increments and space it out throughout the day. Perhaps 5 minutes 4 times a day. I personally like to do it right after they've been fed and changed into a clean diaper. That's their happiest point of the day. But sometimes they still won't like it, and that's okay. They need to do it anyways because they need to build their neck, back, and core strength so that they will be physically strong enough to learn how to crawl when the time comes. When it comes to raising kids, we need to be comfortable and in the habit of giving them what they need, not what they want. If they get fussy too early, just lay down with them and speak to them calmly, letting them know that everything is okay and that they are safe. You can gently rub their backs or do whatever it is you need to make them comfortable. Thank you so much for joining us on Newborn Tummy Time with Pittman Parenting. Bye guys.